Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at request of Trollge Incident Coalition and Trollge Incident Preventing Sectors. We got some reports of strange monster attack. Victims are located in the woods. There are suspicions that creature left its forest and is in city, but it isn't confirmed. Please stand by. Civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at request of Trollge Incident Coalition and Trollge Incident Preventing Sectors. Our suspicions about creature being in New York City is true. Also we got information that creature attack mostly at night. Monster is 2 meters tall and have gray skin color. Also it have brown veins around its body. If you will encounter this creature, run to your house immediately and close doors and windows. Having distance weapon like gun is recommended. For further informations, please stand by. This message is transmitted at request of Trollge Incident Coalition and Trollge Incident Preventing Sectors. We got many reports of living corpses attacking people and infecting them. Our scientists searching for cure for this virus. Get some food, water and radio or phone. Getting guns is recommended. For further informations, please stand by.
This message is transmitted at request of Trollge Incident Coalition, Trollge Incident Preventing Sectors, and United States Government. This is not test. I repeat, this is not test. We got many reports of zombies attacking people in 3 US states. Scientists didn't found any cure for now. We still searching for it. Evacuating to Trollge Incident Preventing Sectors Facility number 8 is recommended. Get guns, food, water and any device that can receive further information as radio or phone. For further information, please stand by. This message is transmitted at request of United States Government. Latest report says that main functioning facilities have been destroyed. Amount of zombies increased from 100,000 to 140,000. Also zombies started to form mutated type of themselves. For further information, please stand by. This message is transmitted at request of Trollge Incident Coalition, Trollge Incident Preventing Sectors, and United States Government. Our scientists found out that for virus is no cure. North America will have to evacuate to other countries in the world, since we will drop nuclear bombs across states of North America. For those who can't escape to other countries, seek comfort in your final moments.